Once there was a king. He lived in a big palace. He had many servants. He had no sons. His only child was a daughter. A boy lived near the palace. His parents were dead. He liked to play by the palace walls. He played there every day. The king saw the boy. The boy was strong. He could run fast. He could jump high. The other children liked him. He was their leader. "Who is this child?" thought the king. "What is he doing?" The king watched him. He felt scared. "This child is too strong," he thought. "The other children like him too much." The king went to a wise man. "Who is this boy?" asked the king. "What will happen to him?" The wise man stayed quiet. He felt scared. "Tell me," shouted the king, "or I will call my soldiers." "My lord," said the wise man, "this boy will be a great king. He will kill you and take your throne." The king returned to his palace. He was very angry. He could not eat or sleep. Finally he called his servants. "Catch the boy," he said. "Put him in a box. Throw the box into the sea." The servants were afraid, but they obeyed. That night there was a storm. The wind blew hard. Big waves ran across the sea. The waves carried the box far away. They threw it on a beach. The next morning an old man walked on the beach. He saw a box. Someone was crying inside. The old man opened the box. "The child," he said. "A little boy?" He loved the boy right away. "Where are your parents?" he asked. "I don't know," answered the boy. He began to cry. "Don't be afraid," said the old man. "I will be your father now." He took the child home to his wife. She was very happy. "God has given us a son," she said. "We will call him Leo." 12 years went by. There was peace in the land. The king stayed in his palace. But one day a war began. The king traveled to other places. One day he visited the old man. The old man welcomed him warmly. "Quick," he said to Leo, "bring water to wash our guest's feet." Leo ran to find water. He washed the king's feet. The king smiled. "Here's a fine young man," he thought. "Your son is a good boy," said the king. "This boy is not my son," said the old man. "He came from the sea." "What do you mean?" asked the king. "One day, 12 years ago, I found a box. I opened it. Inside was a little boy." The king frowned. He looked at Leo angrily. "He is my enemy," he thought. "He will kill me." The king tried to smile. "Listen," he said. "I like your son. He is a fine boy. I must go back to my palace. Send him to me. I will look after him. He will be rich and powerful." He called one of his servants. "Give me paper and a pen." The servant brought them. The king wrote a letter. "Catch this boy and kill him," he wrote. "Can you read this?" he asked Leo. Leo shook his head. "I can't read it." "Good," said the king. "Don't lose this paper. Give it to the soldiers at the gate." "Thank you, my lord," said Leo. The king left the palace. The old man and his wife were sad. They did not want to lose Leo. Leo was happy. "When can I go to the palace?" he asked. "Not yet, my son," said the old man. They finally agreed. They called Leo. "Our dear son," they said, "you can go to the king's palace. Come home soon." They blessed Leo and said goodbye. Leo began his journey. The road was long. It went through valleys and mountains. On the highest mountain he saw an eagle. The eagle flew down. It pecked at his clothes. The king's letter fell from his pocket. The eagle took the letter and flew away. "No! Bring back my letter!" Leo shouted. But the eagle was gone. Leo sat on a rock. He felt sad. "The king will never see me now," he thought. Then he saw something white on the ground. He picked it up. It was another letter. Leo looked but could not read it. Did the eagle drop this? He wondered. He put the new letter in his pocket and walked on. Finally, Leo reached the king's palace. It was a big stone building. But where are the soldiers? He thought. After a long time, a servant came out. "Who are you?" he called. "What do you want?" "The king invited me," said Leo. "The king isn't here," the servant said. "Go away." "But I have a letter," said Leo. "Look, here it is." The servant opened it. He read, "This boy is Leo. He is a prince. I chose him to marry my daughter." The servant bowed. "My master," he said, "I am happy to see you. You will be married tomorrow." The next day Leo married the king's daughter. The cooks made a big feast. The musicians played music. Leo saw his bride. She was very beautiful. He loved her right away. In the evening, the king came home. He rode a white mule. "What's happening here?" he asked. "Why are all these people here?" "My lord," said the servant, "Prince Leo arrived yesterday. He married your daughter." When the king heard this, he became very angry. "What?" he shouted. "This boy has married my daughter." His mule got scared. It reared up. The king fell off. His sword hurt him, and he died. So Leo became the king. He sent a servant to get the old man and woman. Leo became a great king. He was fair and honest. His people loved him. He had many fine princes as sons.